Happy Feature Friday! I'm Taylor from Cortex's Education and Delivery team, and today we're highlighting two updates that make it easier to measure and improve software delivery performance: the DORA Academy course and the DORA Template Scorecard. The new DORA Academy course teaches you how to use DORA Metrics and Cortex together to understand and improve engineering practices. It covers the four key DORA metrics, the capabilities behind high-performing teams, and the real challenges that organizations face, like inconsistent measurement and limited visibility. The course also walks through how Cortex helps you measure and improve your DORA metrics, like working with the DORA dashboards, scorecards, integrations that keep your data connected and reliable. Alongside the course, the new DORA Operational Readiness Scorecard template gives each service a quick benchmark against DORA standards. It combines outcome metrics with key readiness practices and organizes them into 4 levels, so you can see where a service stands without digging through individual metrics. Both pieces are designed to help you understand your current state and identify clear steps for improvement with DORA.